Hello, dear students. How are you? Fine. Okay. Today I discuss you with your Islam and Moral Education book, chapter 5, page 73 to 75. Okay, let's start. Take your book, everybody. Take your book. Okay, open page 73. Hilful Fuzul Organization. We learn what is Hilful Fuzul. The great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was very much conscious about the rights of others from his boyhood. He used to reserve the rights of others from his childhood. His sucking mother had a son. He used to suck a breast of his sucking mother and left the other breast to his sucking brother. He was sorry for the sorrow of others from his boyhood. He was sad and painful for the sad and pain of others. Our great prophet was very much kind. He was very conscious about others' right. He never break any rights, even his sucking brother. He was sad and painful for the sad of pain of others. Okay. He always protest the unjust. He tried to remove the difficulties of others. He used to help the oppressed and distressed peoples. He served the man his utmost service. He always protest injustice. He served the man of his utmost service. He tried to remove the difficulties of others. Gambling is a great crime. The good relation breaks up due to it. Enmity rises. There occurs much quarreling, fighting, and bloodshedding due to gambling. On in Arabia, a bloodshedding war happened between the two Arab tribes of the Quraysh and Qais. In the fair of Ukaz, gambling is a great crime. Do you know? For the gambling, there would many quarreling, fighting, and bloodshedding. For the gambling, once in Arabia, bloodshedding war happened between two Arab tribes of Quraysh and Qais, which name is Ukaz. This war continued for long 5 years. Many people died in this war. The great Prophet ﷺ himself participated in this war with his uncle Zubair radiallahu ta'ala. He collected the shooting arrows of the enemies and handed over them to his uncle. It is known as Harbul Fizar or the unjust war. It is known as Harbul. The soul of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu wept out seeing the scenery of this tribe where he thought that how the peace and discipline could be restrained in the country. At the time, Prophet was very painful. He thought how how these difficulties would be finished. How? Then he think how to pitch in this country. How the good relation could be established between different types. How the destitute would be helped. So he formed a peace organization, taking with him some of his uh, energetic and enthusiastic young friends. He named this organization as Hilful Fuzul, or Peace Organization. To seeing this scenery, he was very upset, and then he think, how can it finished this fighting or war. Then he decided. He called his some friends and they discuss with others to make an organization, a peace organization. So this peace organization named Hilful Fuzul. He tried his best to remove the sorrows and miseries of the helpless people, so peace and tranquility come back in the society. After establish this organization in this country, peace is back. At the time he was at the age of 15 only. When he established this organization, his age was 15. This organization continued up to 50 years approximately. Okay. This organization continued up 50 years. Okay. Now I discuss about receiving in the Nabuwat. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam receiving the Nabuwat. Receiving the Nabuwat. Okay. Give your finger on the book. Receiving the Nabuwat. The great Prophet ﷺ used to feel sadness and unhappiness in his mind, seeing the miseries of the society. The downfall of the character of the man made him specially thoughtful. His thinking and meditation increased with his increase of his age. He used to remain thinking about Allah in an isolated cave of the mountain Hira, which was 3 miles far from Makkah. The great prophet used to feel sadness. Maximum time he was feel unhappiness. He is always thinking, and everybody look him by thoughting. Okay, thoughtful. When he think, he go to the cave in Hira. In Hira, mountain Hira, which was 3 miles from Makkah. Okay. Many thoughts and questions raised in his mind. He thought, who was he? He thought, who was he? Why he came? Where he would go again? This question is making him thoughtful. Why this earth is created, why the people are fighting and killing, etc. He always think why all this unhappiness happening. In this way, meditation and ibadat of great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam continued. He reached at the age of 40. It was the night of Qadr in the month of Ramadan. The great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was engaged in thought in the cave of Hira or Hira. Maximum call it Hira. Okay. When Prophet thinking and thinking, his age was 40, and at the night of Qadr in the month of Ramadan, the great Prophet was engaged in the thought in the cave of Hira. Everything around him was calm and quiet. In the meantime, the dark cave began and lightened. The angel Jibril alayhi salam came first by order of Allah with the message of great Allah. The angel told the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Iqra, or read on. He told Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to read first 5 ayat in the Surah Alaq in the Holy Quran. When Prophet thinking the Qadr's night, Hira cave, there came Jibril alayhi salam by the order of Allah. Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to say, read the first 5 ayat, Iqra bi ismi rabbikal ladzi khalaq, by Surah Alaq from the Holy Quran. Read the sentence. Okay. Praising Islam in Makkah. Okay. After attainment of Nabuwat, the great Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam started praising Allah Tawheed. Allah Tawheed. Tawheed means oneness of Allah. He praised Islam first 3 years to his close relatives, near and dear, secretly. His wife Hazrat Khadija radiallahu ta'ala accepted first Islam. Then Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu ta'ala from among the gents and Hazrat Ali radiallahu Islam from among the child accepted Islam. After attainment of the Nabuwat, the great Prophet started praising Allah's Tawheed. Tawheed means on oneness of Allah. He practiced Islam first 3 years to his close relatives. Nobody come, but first come Khadija radiallahu ta'ala, then Abu Bakr, then Ali, Hazrat Ali alayhi salam radiallahu ta'ala. In the first 3 years, 45 men and women accepted Islam. In the first 3 years, only 45 men and women accepted Islam. Thereafter, with the permission of Allah, he praised Islam openly. After 3 years, the permission of Allah, he praised Islam openly. Many people took shelter under the nice cooling shadow of Islam, but many leaders of tribe of Quraysh did not hide to his praising. They become utter enemy of to the great Prophet ﷺ. They become angry with him. They began to oppose him. His uncle Abu Lahab threw on him, stoned and blooded him. Someone was telling him mad. The physical torture began on him, but they put on his head dust and rubbishes. They kept thorns on his walking path. They began to inflict several operations on his companions. In this way, they began to resist him and his followers from pursuing Islam. The great Prophet ﷺ had firm belief on Allah. He tolerated all kinds of operation in praising Islam. He praised Islam overcome all resistances. He never stopped. He go ahead. Understand? Okay, I give you homework. Praising Islam in Makkah, page 75 to 76. That is why. 76 plus 76. So I will give you homework. Write about Hilful Fuzul organization. Write something about, okay, your homework. No more today. Goodbye.